Not every day is simple. Sometimes it's just not the day. It feels like you have a mountain to climb before you get to happiness. I don't want to wait for happiness to come to me. I want it to be so jealous of my plans, of my ambitions, that it will come to me first. Today, I don't want to be sad. I just want to make the most of it. I won't let my anger, anxiety, sadness, or anything that is worrying me get to me. A few days ago, I had like an urgent need to take my painting box, a canvas, and just sit in the middle of nature. I didn't know when or where, I just felt like it. You know this feeling that just comes to your mind without having to think about it. Something obvious that I had to do. It's not something that you planned, it's just an intense feeling to get away. So I just called my friend, asking her if she wanted to go in the forest and just plant trees. I was on my way to get that rest I needed. I'm not saying that I'm not happy. Despite finding my own way through life, the smiles of the people I love, the moments spent with my loved one, this intense feeling I get of laughing too hard about silly things, that excitement of releasing my creativity and imagination into physical pieces makes me happy. Unfortunately, sometimes the anxiety takes over. I can't breathe, I can't focus. I end up being lonely and have no one to tell. I am aware there is people around me, but I'm embarrassed, I guess. It appears that this day helped me. We end up talking about art, our thought about the future we wanted, our past, our needs, and much more without having to think about what to say next. Happiness is not a long term plan. Happiness is those moments, those love. If you think you never have that love you had before, think about the next one. Think about all of those moments that made you happy, just thinking about them. Think about the person who makes you happy. Think about all of the memories that you have and the one that you will create.